Hi everyone, Zara here and you are watching my channel Techno Zara. Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about a new special and decentralized token and its name Million Starter. You can see here its ICO private sale and in 3 days, 11 hours and 46 minutes remaining. So now we start the video and before starting please subscribe my channel and don't press the bell icon. Okay, now we start our video. Here we have the options of transfers, bank transfers, and you can see here price 0.022 USD million star token and minimum purchase 102 USD, maximum purchase 1 BTC and 37.31 BNB, 57.500 USD million starter. Yes, meet Social Q, the queen of the apps driven by million star token, decentralized premium social network and dating, phantom chat and wallet and exchange, Web3 browsers, NFT market fans, Q protection phone insurance. Here we have buy million star token. How we can buy, I will tell you. And here is the white paper. Also we will study it. And here is their social media links. As you can see, Facebook, Twitter, Mail, Git, Telegram and Discord. Coming soon, here we have App Store, which is coming soon, and Google Play, which is coming soon. And here we have MVP, 2 MVP ready. Strategic partners, they have PancakeSwap, BSC Scan, Binance, and PancakeSwap is coming soon, Trust Wallet. You can easily buy the token from these also. And the benefit of million starter token, it has been created by investors for investor, designed for growth. And refunding program, here our company starts a token refunding program using the 5% of operational profit in order to boost the value of the token. Automatic reward, every holder will receive a bonus upon the transaction. It's a very good thing. And all the time of sale, 7% of the transaction will be divided among the owner, and it's a good news for the investors. Currency, million starter token is the only type of cryptocurrency that can buy you NFT token, advert services and online dating membership in the Social Q app, and later on the Millimosk dating site. Liquidity bonus, 6% of the sales price is automatically added to the liquid pool in order to increase the company's liquidity. Token burning program, every month million star token burns 5% of all MST that was spent on advertising. 5% of all million star token that was spent on advertising. Okay, P2P transaction, you can super easily send or receive million star tokens to or from friends, family and acquaintance via phantom chat. It's also very amazing and very easy. Staking bonus, receive a part of million star every month. 10% of the total income will be redistributed among MST staker. Social Q mega app introduction. Here we have social date meet. With the help of Social Q, you can find your perfect partner, can find new friends and can acquire successful business, while your personal Data is completely protected by a unique artificial intelligence. Phantom Chat is a blockchain based solution, which means that you are protected against financial fraud and eavesdropping and online attacks all the time. It allows end-to-end encryption. You can send photos or documents for a preset price. Wallet and exchange. With the help of wallet, you can easily, quickly and safely buy, send, and receive and store all kind of coins and tokens. Q supports more than 50 blockchain and 2,200 plus cryptocurrencies. Web3 browsers. You will have access to our NFT and fan platform, the Million Mosque dating site and other exciting app, stake markets and marketplace and more using our Web3 browser. Feel free to browse anonymously and untraceable. There is a pic of the wallet. Q protection. Protection and Q protection are being merged. You will be able to buy protection monthly or yearly payment options and for you new or used mobile phone with a single click. One of the keystones of your social Q social network is the dating function. It has been tested for a year now as part of individual Million Mosque project. The user experience and the interface has been designed in line with our customers' need. As a result of the testing period, we have shed light on market opportunities that will help acquire significant global market share in the dating business within 5 to 10 years. The combination of Phantom Chat business and social function together create the social Q platform, which will contribute to the exponential growth of the project. Here we can see the roadmap, their plans, their future plans. Here they share with us. So you can see 2018 Q1 Q1, the idea of dating service is born, and in 2018 Q2 development is underway, and the 2019 version IO of the dating service is ready. 2020 Q1 attracting investors. 2021 Q1 our new dating site is up and running. New dating system, media explosion, market campaign, TV appearance. And Q2 2021 the birth of the Million Starter token and social Q. Creating the token platform plus web. We start planning the ICO, initial coin offering, MST token creation. And 2021 Q3 we start selling tokens privately. Circle of acquaintance. We are expanding our team, media explosion, international marketing campaign, PR appearance. 2021 Q4 start of application development, association with international partners, start further developments, introducing the full social Q design plan and listing on PancakeSwap. Huge prize draw, surprise, which is surprise. 2022 our plans. Million Starter token team expand to 25. Our Q wallet becomes available. Q data and Meet becomes available. Social Q web interface pre-registration and introducing social Q protection. Phantom Chat goes live, introducing the test version of the social Q network. We are ready with the full social queue app. And here we can see token divisions, and here their contract address is available. You can contract address through, you can easily contact them. And BEP20 BSC Smart Chain. And if you want to see their BSC page, you can easily copy the contract address and you can open their page. And here is the maximum supply, and it's 12 billion maximum supply, and million starter name, MST symbol. And here we have, it's 2 million 40 lakhs private sale, and there is 3 million and 60 lakh million starter pre-sale, and there is 3 million 84 lakh public sale. Accepted payments, where the payments accepted, here we have Ethereum and BNB, and then we see accepted payments are here show. Look at this, Bitcoin, and this is the Ethereum, and this is Litecoin. Here you can see Tether, MasterCard and Visa card. These are available where you can easily transfer, bank transfer. And here we can see token allocation. Liquidity 8%, pre-sale 3%, and team 15%, development 15%, private sale 2%, 22% marketing, and 5% reserve, and 30% public sale. It's their token allocation. And sale fund allocation. Legal bonus 3%, team 15%, 37% marketing, 5% reserve, and 40% development. This is sale fund allocation. Now we see private sale, which is 18 September 2021, 30 days. Price will be $0.022, and private sale 18 October 2021 for 30 days. Price will be $0.03, and pre-sale 18 November 2021 for 30 days. Price will be $0.04. Public sale 18 December 2021 for 90 days. Price will be $0.06. And IDO 18 March 2022 for 13 days. Price will be $0.08. And here we read the bonus system. Volume bonus, extra tokens are given away upon reaching a purchasing threshold for a single purchase only. More than 400 USD, 3% plus 3% bonus, and more than 1000 USD 6+% bonus, and more than 3500 USD 10+% bonus. So don't waste your time, jump on it and get token and gain much more and more profit from it. And the most important thing that I want to share with you, that is to hold the token. If you want more benefit, more profit from it, so you must hold it for even days or months, so you can easily gain that profit. Here we see their team, million starter team, and their links: Facebook, in and Instagram. Founder chief Renato Bentley, founder chief executive and business developer. Adam Hall, co-founder executive manager. And Andras Marcos, international relation manager. And Matt Koska, PR communication specialist. And Oliver Zebu, he is the business analyst and experts. Aaron Thomas, marketing strategy manager. Kapoor Naveen, blockchain expert. Zoltan Vig, business advisor. Developers: Thomas Laszlo, lead developer. And Donut Shoes, developers. And MST blog, here you can see it's MST blog. A new Hungarian cryptocurrency appeared on the market. Growth is currented with a dating service. There is an unusual concept behind the latest. And be a Million Starter member and harvest your profit in different ways. Loyalty and reward program. The more you share, the richer you become. Be part of our reward program. Invite a lucky friend of yours for a 10% bonus, only for a limited period of time. It's very good that you can easily become richer through your friend. Contact us. Feel free to get in touch with us should you need help or you have a question via one on the contact below. So follow their pages, follow to contact them, and like them, and in touch with them. Mail Sport Million Star, here is the address. And Telegram, join their Telegram group, so you can easily in touch with them and get all the updates about the token. Here is the links. You have white paper, their page. Now I will show you useful keys, policy, how to buy, private policies, cookies, and FAQs. And then meet Social Q, the queen of the app driven by MST token. Here is their links, and you can see Facebook, and here is the Twitter, and here is the millionstar.com, and here we have the Reddit page, and here is LinkedIn. So you can follow all their pages and you can easily approach them. So now we show the white paper. We will get the white paper. Here we have the Million Star white paper. So you can see what is Social Q. All the details you can easily find here. Social Q is the app for apps. We present the trendiest social network app powered by MST token, a community run by ordinary people. This has never happened before. Now together with you we will make it happen. And all the details, we are family. They can you can see or must read all the details. Buy me a coffee, I want a date, and further details. Here you can easily see read all it. Key features of Social Q. It's very in detail. Phantom chat. You can see it. You must read all the details before any decision. Wallet and exchange, fake pass, Web 3.0 browser, Q protection, the problems. So you can easily read it all, and you can clear your questions, your confusion, you can clear it. Violet problems, here you can read our solutions, social and data. You will get more information about the token, smart ADS, phantom chat functions. Here is the roadmap which we already see, and all the details. Market research and target audience. Social queue is the targeting almost all group in the social and connection building network, as well as in the cryptocurrency and blockchain segments, including daters and job seekers, influencers, online business networkers, investors, business leaders, and entrepreneurs, cryptocurrency obsessed people, trader, developer, and educators, and anyone else who wants to be part of a premium network. There are 3 types of social queue users: consumer, and creator, producers, and advertisers. You can read all the details about them. The Million Star token, here the all details you can read easily. Benefit of token staking bonus. Million Star will also give holders the opportunity to stake the token. Million Star stake and its benefits, you can read it. And the main benefit of staking: no hardware needed, passive income, eco-friendly, highly protected. I just read the main points, but you must read all the details. Buyback program, community governance, tokenomics we must read. Token investment model, designed by investors for investor and designed for growth. Social queue is forward thinking and flexible to adapt to the ever changing world of social media, fame, and entertainment. The model we invented stirs things up, allowing the social space to evolve in unprecedented ways. Reserve 5%, team and advisor 15%, liquidity 8%. We have all read it already. We have done it, and available here. MST revenue sharing program. It's a very lengthy, so you can easily read it in free time. Below are the revenue projections of users who purchased a dating membership monthly, and below the advertiser numbers and all the details. You can see it's very in detail. And here is the prices, token prices monthly. Again, the team introduction, we have already done it. Next is who is it recommended for. There are 3 types of token buyers: investor buying for profit, and advertiser, and committee members. Investors buying the token for future advertising. Committee member, motivation to participate in the management of the site. And investor buying for profit, so simple. And here is the summary. What is social queue? Key features, the problems, our solution, roadmap, market research and target audience, Million Star token function, token benefit, token distribution, smart contract audit, and token MST revenue sharing program, token burning team, and all the details that in the white paper list. Links here we have white paper and useful links all here available. Now I will show you that how you can buy it on PancakeSwap, which it will be coming very soon, listed on Pancake. Here we are on PancakeSwap. You can easily approach it. You must have the Trust Wallet, and then you will click on the app. So then you will be here. Here we click in PancakeSwap. It will be very soon listed on PancakeSwap, so you can easily buy your tokens from here. Very easy to operate. It's just seconds to loading. Here we have the PancakeSwap interface. You can see here. Here we have the exchange page, and here you can see the token. You can paste your address. Here you will paste the address. I have clicked the cancel button. It's take just seconds. It will take a network issue. It will take just seconds. You will paste the token address, and then you will select your currency, in which currency you will want to purchase, and then you will connect to wallet. It's so simple. The token will be in your wallet. Here we have, so you can put the address here of the token, contract address you will put here, and then here you will select your currency. Here you will select the currency and then connect wallet. So you can easily purchase your tokens. It's very simple and very easy. Now go to the home page. So you guys, you can easily purchase the token, and you have all see the all details, all features, tokenomics, and a roadmap about the token, and you will easily take decision. And the important thing is to hold the token. If you want to get profit, then hold the token, and you can easily read all its details and follow their social media links. Through you can easily approach them, and any question in your mind, so you can easily ask them. Hope you will like the video. So till then, my next video. Take care. Bye.